Hi guys! It's me again, Vea, and welcome to my channel. Hi! Alright, so it's episode 4. Is it episode 4? No, episode 5 na. Lagi ako updated sa sarili kong... Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's episode 5! Yes, 5 na. Gusto mo yan. O, diba? Hindi umabot ng ilang taon bago nasundan yung episode 4. Happy ka? Kasi happy ako. Guess what? It's another beauty vlog. Yay! Beauty indeed. So, what are you guys waiting? Huwag na natin patagalin. Here we go, guys. Let's start our episode 5 beauty vlog. Episode 5 beauty vlog with yours truly here at VeaStories. Let's do this. Para maalala nyo, let's watch this. Let's watch this. Here we go. I will make another video of me trying the lenses for the first time. So watch out for my next vlog about these contact lenses. So ayun na, nakita niyo na ang episode 4 at ang episode 5 ang continuation ng ating episode 4. Ulit ko lang. Kulay. Alright, so eto na. Ito na ang big reveal. Big reveal, kahit na na-reveal na natin siya sa episode 4. Pero ngayon natin makikita kung ano ang magiging, peg natin. And for the first time, gagamitin na natin siya. Ilalagay na natin siya sa ating precious eyes. So, we have to prepare the stuff again. So, dito. Diba? Remember the tiny thing. So, gagamitin natin siya ngayon para dito. So, we're just going to use this kasi ito lang yung may ligayan. So, since ito, pang puha lang at pang kabit lang. So, we're going to, upon research, yan. Sabi sa akin, ayan, shoutout po pala kay Ate April over there. Ayan, so, binigyan niya ako some tips how to, and tricks how to use. Kasi, naman, this is our first time ever. So, we just have to fill this with solution. Never use water, always use solution. Okay. So, we're going to use this. So, we have to open it first. Buksan muna natin ang mesh. Ayan! There we go. So, ito na yung lagayan natin, our mini container, left and right. So, we have to make sure which is left and right. We're going to add solution in these steel containers. Again, here's the solution. We're going to use the P2 Pentaplex solution. Tajan! It has this one, and you don't need any, nandito na rin pala ang pambukas niya sa takip. Ayan may matulis sa dulo. So, bubuksan mo lang. You just have to remove this, yung stopper niya. And then, close it like that. And then, voila. It has a tiny hole already. And I think that's enough. So, we're just going to put this back again para hindi siya tumama. Clever, huh? If you're going to pour this thing, remove the stopper, guys. Kasi mahuhulog siya. So again, let's fill this with, I don't know how many, but I think half is okay. Yeah, just a shot. Can you see it? You can see it. The contact, the solution is moving. Andito ka pala. So lalagyan lang natin siya. Lalagyan ko lang siya. Lalagyan mo lang siya. Ang dami natin. Parang ang dami natin. Ikaw at ako lang naman ang nandito. Diba? Alam mo, marami ka kasama. Ikaw lang naman ang nanonood. Unless kasama mo si mom, dad, sister, brother, kapitbahay, si kapitan, congressman, si mayor, si president. Alright, so I think it's enough. Huwag masyadong madami. Like, I'm not sure. But OMG, let's try to close it. Hindi siya matatapon. Kalahati lang. I think it's enough, right? Or should I put more? Alam mo, masama kung lagyan natin na medyo madami. Basta hindi lang yung sobrang dami na matatapon na siya. You know what I mean, right? Yes, you know what I mean, girl. Gusto ko lang lagyan pa. After natin lagyan ng solution, after this, we'll move on to the contacts. Pero, so wait lang. Ayaw niya magpakuha. Ayaw niya. Totoo. Dahan-dahan natin siya buksan para hindi natapos. So, sobrang dahan-dahan na. Abot tayo ng 10 years. Girl, ay magpabukas, girl. Ganun siya ka-sealed. Like, super sealed. Girl! Nakakaloka. Yan. Nakakaloka. Mahirap. At nabuksan ko na siya. Tadan! Ano siya? Hindi ko makikita kasi nandun sa loob. Natatapon. So, before natin siya apply, I wanna open the other one as well para hindi ako mahirapan mamaya. Diba? Pero isang diretso na. Paano ulit yan? Inulit ko ah. Tinanong ko pa sarili ko. Pinaulit ko pa. Kakaloka ha. So, kanina inabot ako ng, moments of love bago ko siya mabuksan. So, another moments of love na naman ito. Patience is a virtue. Patience. Kailangan natin ito medyo Amazona. Kailangan nilabas ng pagiging Amazona mo. Siya medyo arty-arty ngayon car. Pag-abaya ka ngayon siya. Ganito pag nagigigil. Woo! So, i-prepare na natin ang ingredients. Pag-bake! Ayan, nabuksan ko na siya. Ayan. Parang maliit siya. OMG! This is real! OMG, wait lang. Can we have a moment? Eto na, guys. I'm actually going to do this. Like, alam mo yung feeling kasi na parang nagva-vlog ka lang. So, parang alam mo yun. Wala ka pa dun sa pinaka-reality. Or nasa reality ka. Hindi mo lang ma-feel much. Kasi you're busy with, vlogging and such. Pero ngayon nararamdaman ko, it's reality besh. And we're gonna do this for real. And this is the first time ever, OMG, mga beshi. Ang nipis niya, girl. Ang nipis niya po. Woo! Ito na. More. Going to put that. OMG! I look like a cat. OMG, I'm officially a Meowfia boss right now. Tada! Yay! Ito na yun siya, guys. So, I don't know. Hindi ko pa masyado nakikita sarili ko because I'm talking to you and I'm looking at the camera. So, hindi ko makita masyado yung pinaka-peg ko. Though, I have my mirror here and ang masasabi ko lang, first impression, I look like a cat. And I'm going to take pictures. Habulin ko yung araw sa labas. So, babalik ako after my pictures. So, let's see. Let's go! are some of my photos na kinuha ko indoor. Actually, wala akong outdoor photos with this contact lenses. Perhaps I'll post na lang sa aking Instagram account. So, that's Vea Meow there. Yay! So, yun na muna. Indoor na lang muna. Dahil hindi ko talaga mahabol si Mr. Sun outside. Ang daming ganap din. Alright, so, I guess that's it. Again, this is me. First time wearing contact lenses ever. And ito yung shade na napili ko. Mamang. Calling the attention of Mamang once again. Siya dyan. Saan ko siya ilalagay? There, Mamang. OMG. Ito yung pinili namin talagang eye color dahil expectation namin siya ganun ka-obvious, di siya ganun ka-dramatic, and all. Pero feeling ko medyo dramatic siya, girl! Diba, Mama? Can you see it? Medyo iba. Hindi siya ganun ka-natural na medyo normal. Hindi siya normal. Ano siya? Unique siya. So, okay na rin. Parang unique lang. Alright, so, see, it's just a short vlog, beauty vlog, once again. May halong food vlog. At nahihirapan pa rin ako maglagay kung, alam mo yun, yung techniques. Pero I'm getting there. Medyo nakukuha ko na siya. Try and try lang until you succeed. Yeah! Oh, yes! So, bet ko pa rin mag-try na ibang color na medyo mas, alam mo yun, medyo mas normal tingnan. Normal tingnan? Naglagay pa ako. Oo nga naman! Pero try natin ang ibang shade naman. Bet ko i-try ang blue. Itsura ko pag blue. Blue eyes. Or green. Amazing! So, abangan na lang natin sa susunod ng mga kabanata. Finally, we're done with episode 5. Abangan ang ating susunod na vlog. Ano kaya ang magiging content natin sa susunod? Will it be a beauty vlog, travel vlog, or food vlog? Or whatever vlog. Let's see! Abangan! So all you have to do once again is please to subscribe. And you can also follow me in my socials for more updates of, for more of me. Char! There you go. IG account, of course, my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated. A girl, a boy, you know that. And of course, my Facebook page, Miss VeaStories. For more of me, once again, this is Vea Meow. Your Meow boss. Always remember to keep shining, stay safe, and God loves you and I love you. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Aura. Raw, raw, raw.